The BEADSmith's S-Lon cord is ideal for most beading and crafting tasks. This bonded multifilament nylon cord is ideal for knotting gemstones or beads, kumihimo braiding, jewelry stringing, and much more. S-Lon cord is perfect for adults and kids alike to create jewelry from friendship bracelets to delicate pendants. S-Lon cord is easy to string through a variety of bead shapes and sizes, including glass, crystal, wood, and plastic, and can be easily tied into knots. Plus, it is durable and flexible, which makes it extremely versatile when crafting. Our bead cord can also be used for detailed crochet projects. Available in 4 thicknesses to suit all of your stringing needs. Tex 70. Micro cord, 0.12 millimeters diameter. Excellent for bead weaving and bead embroidery when multiple thread passes must be made through a bead. Tex 135. Fine, 0.4 millimeters diameter. Good for kumihimo, bead crochet, and bead weaving with small beads 11 and 15 aught. Tex 210. Bead macrame cord, 0.5 millimeters diameter, the most popular size for kumihimo braiding, bead stringing, and micro macrame jewelry making. And Tex 400 heavy, 0.9 millimeters diameter. Our heaviest size, ideal for 6/aught seed beads in both kumihimo, macrame, and twisted cord making macrame. With this beading cord, your homemade jewelry and crafts will retain a professional look for years to come. Knot and braid the cord to craft unique jewelry creations. Add this jewelry cord assortment to your crafting or beading supplies today and unlock your artistic talents.